Do you have 10 minutes and somewhere to go? Grab one of these bye-bye knots, pre-everything wigs from UNICE Hair, and let's get on into it.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
Back. I'm tan like a mother jumper in here, okay, y'all? So I don't want to hear it. I love it. I'm all chocolatey. And I'm coming back with the unit from UNICE Hair. So we're back with the unit from UNICE Hair. This is a bye-bye knots lace wig. I'm actually going to happy hour with my husband. We just decided 10 minutes ago that's what we're doing. And I said, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw this Mimi Tatum wig and just, we're going to put her to the test. Because UNICE said, bling, 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 that this is a bye-bye knot wig. I can throw her on and go. I'll be the judge of that. I will be the judge of that, okay? This is a highlight brown wig. I'm actually super excited about this. Look at these, look at this. This might be rearing and ready to go. And if it is, I'm a snap. Look at the curls. She's already pre-curled. She's pre-plucked. This is a pre-everything wig. She's bleached, okay? It's a 7x5 lace frontal, okay? Get into that. Literally filming all day. Let's get on the inside. Let's look at the cap construction. Huh. It has space for a band, but there's no band in here, so I'm gonna go get one. It has one comb in the back, no adjustable band, just a 7x5 lace closure, and then adjustable straps for kind of forever. But I need security, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm gonna find. All right, my loves, I found a band, so let's get right on into it. So this UNICE bye-bye knots unit is pre-everything. She is a glueless unit, so we're gonna throw her up on our Mimi Tatum heads. Now, off camera, I did darken up this lace, just really to give, you know, some me texture to it. I really wanted it to look like me, like black like that, not like that. Okay, you picking up what I'm putting down? So this unit is 150% density. She is 24 inches. And on the UNICE Amazon shop, she's going for she's going for $219. But obviously there's always an extra coupon or a little something you can get off. Just make sure you check the description box below. So this unit is a Balayage Brown highlight color wig. The color of this unit is actually really, really beautiful. I'm just going through and straightening out the top of my head so it can lay flat. Now, to be honest, I could have just let these curls go, okay? I am choosing to curl this up because I had a little bit of extra time and I wanted to go on through and give her a little love, sex, and magic. So this is my T3 barrel curler. I'm just going on through one pass and curling this hair up, okay? Only because I just want a more defined look. This unit, the texture of this hair is actually very beautiful, okay? She did not shed. She did not tangle. She is a big head friendly unit, so I'm glad I was able to find a band to kind of secure her down, because otherwise I would have felt like I either had to glue her or sew in combs. So because we found a band, we were able to mitigate that. Now, she didn't shed. The color of this unit really is beautiful. I don't have much else to say except for if I had to grade whether or not this was a ready to go unit, I would give this probably a B+. And the reason why I wouldn't give it a A is really primarily because of the security of the unit. It's really important when you're wearing a glueless wig that you feel secure in it. And without that band, it kind of left, you know, just a little bit to be desired. But that wasn't an issue that we couldn't fix because we got a ton of bands in there. Okay, baby? Bands will make her dance. And I can dance because I got bands. If you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tatum mouth. I'm going to get this all styled down, okay? Just a little bit of something. And I'm going to see you on the other side. UNICE, you've done it again. This unit, I did play with her a bit. That was a personal preference. I just wanted to kind of give her a little love, sex, and magic. But I must say, It was worth it. This unit is absolutely beautiful. Let me tell you the things that I'm gonna say. She cute. She cute, okay? Now, if she would have zhuzhed and added maybe another 50% to this, the density, a nice thick nasty heifer, then I could be like, okay, this is a 10 out of 10 unit. The ease of this is a 10, okay? The lace is like an 8.5, okay? Like, I'm not mad, but a 8.5, okay? I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna love it, but I still think it's an 8.5. I love how big it is, though. I must say that. I love 7.5 lace closures. I think that they are awesome. And I think we just like a little space for activities. You know what I mean? She's laying super flat, which I also love because it makes for a more seamless and, you know, natural like install. I love the color of this unit. This is like my whole thing. Like this, like, what is this? Like a mix P4, 33, 30 kind of situation. Obsessed. Obsessed. Really love that. It didn't shank. Ugh. She didn't shed. She didn't tangle. The truth of the matter is, I just wish she was thicker. And that's my truth. I think that she doesn't get a 10 from me because she's just not thick enough. I'm thick enough. I want my hair to be thick too. Let me turn around. Okay. Y'all see that color? It's really, really stunning. I really do love the color. I don't have much of anything else to say. I think that we gave this wear and go, ready to go, throw her up on your Mamie Tam hair and go wig, a run for her money. And I think she's very much order the Uber, wait, and then go. Order the Uber, put your things in your purse, you ready. Now you could wear it and go. You picking up what I'm putting down? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? She almost there. And for that, we're going to feel it. So I'm going to shut my Mimi Tam mouth. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Entisar Eleanor. Make sure you check out UNICE hair. I did not do anything to her because she didn't require it. She was raring and ready to go. Or at least waiting on her Uber. Okay? So I'll see you guys later. And thanks for joining me again. Bye.